how to log out of the WeCash app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you will see three options on the top of your screen. Simply tap on the top left corner. This will open your profile, and from here you'll see a logout option which is right below copy WeCash ID. Simply tap on logout, then the app will ask you to confirm your decision. If you want to really log out, then tap on yes logout, which is located right here. And after tapping on yes, you will be logged out of the app, and it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.